Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a hanging indent in Google Docs. First, open Google Docs. I have already inserted a document here. Highlight the part where you want to apply the changes. Then click on Format. Go to Align and Indent and select Indentation option. Here you will see that the left indent is set at 0 by default. I'm going to set it to 0.20. Now look below where you will find a special indent option. Click on that. Choose hanging and then enter the value you want. For example, if I set it to 0.40 and hit apply, you can see that the hanging indent has been applied. You can adjust the number depending on your needs. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.